Next, let's go to well engineering. Click on new well. Let's name it well 1. The simple oil production. Then put in here 5,000 in X direction, 2,500 in Y direction. Choose ground level, and then next we put the top depth to be 7980, bottom depth to be 840. Click up OK. Open the wells and click well 1. Next we bring in another well. Name it well 2. Symbol oil. Put 2,500 X direction. Then Y. Put in 4,000. Bring ground level. Top depth, descent depth 7980 to 840. Click apply. Good. Next is to go to automated design. Under operation, to create simple completions. Choose today's date. Click on check on the great spacing, great perforations, and great liner, and then run. Do create new again for the second one. Click enter here using the arrow to bring in the well. Then click run. Click OK. Next we go to development strategy. Under development strategy we choose simulator. Want to use Eclipse 100, so you uncheck other simulators. Next you bring in the wells. Click on the wells. Use this arrow to bring in the wells. Under group wells, click on these add rows. Scroll down to wells. Double click on these well control rates. We need 2 well control rates since we have 2 wells. So the first one goes to first well. Oil production rate, we choose 2,000 for the second well. Enter the same value. 2,000. Start on by repeating. Then we also bring in reservoir pressure. Well pressure control. We choose bottom hole. Limit is 500 psi. Then we do the same thing for the first well. Control is bottom hole. Limit is 500. Now we can click apply and make sure you have 0 error here. So you click OK. Click on simulation. Click on simulation. Alright, so next let's go back to well and strategy, development strategy, and go to dates to modify our dates to from 2024 to 2025. So this is our end of the simulation. This is the beginning of the simulation. Starts from 2024 January and ends as 2025 January. So we click apply. Okay. Click on simulation. Define case. So we click on the grid. Go to model. Enter grid in X direction, in Y direction, in Z direction, velocity, net to cross. Next we click on functions, click on rock physics, enter sand, rock compaction, enter consolidated sandstone, black oil, enter fluid here, click on the set contact set. Next is strategies. Click on append, click on append item in the table, scroll down to development strategies and choose strategy 1, enter here and click the simulation. We can call it simple simulation study, and click check. Okay, it's telling us that we doesn't need space. So we check again. So our simulation is good to go. Just click run and wait for a while. So see the accuracy 4%, 17%, under 9 seconds. It's still running. Next we have 23%, under 15 seconds. Next we have 29%, under 20 seconds. Next we have 45%, under 25 seconds. Next we have 63%, under 30 seconds. Next we have 75%, under 35 seconds. Finally we have 91% under 45 seconds. So next is to click apply. Okay, go to result. Let's see, click on simple simulation study, click on fill, go to rates, oil rates. Let's look at our oil rates. Let's look at our gas production rates. Let's look at our water production rates. So you can see, let's look at our pressure also at the same time. And see a decline in oil production with a corresponding decline in both gas and water production. Let's split this result so that we can view it very well. So here you have oil production. You have a steady of 4,000 stocks and barrels of oil for the past 4 months plus before it started declining, and with a corresponding decline in both oil in both yes, a corresponding decline in both gas and water. So let's see here. If I remove this one, you can see the corresponding increment in both water and gas from the beginning of simulation, and also the corresponding decline in both gas and in gas, water and oil production. So we can say that this the energy is a combined of water and gas production. In the next video, we are going to see how to minimize this water production and maximize oil production. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.